Select the half of the armature that you haven't edited and delete the bones in edit mode. Select the other half and press Shift-D to duplicate. With Transform Pivot Point set to 3D Cursor and the 3D Cursor at World Origin, press SX-1 on the numpad to move the duplicated bones to the other side. Select all the bones in edit mode and press Shift-N. Then choose Global plus Axis to recalculate the bone rolls. Select an object in object mode, then hold Shift and select the armature. Press Ctrl-Tab to switch to pose mode and select the nearby bone. Parent the object to the bone by pressing Ctrl-P and choosing Bone. Press Ctrl-Tab again to switch to object mode and repeat these steps for all the objects. You may have to change the parent relationship of some of the bones in edit mode.